Sanibona bafethu. So namhlanje sokhuluma ilook ahead egame isoyidlala against iKaizer Chiefs. Menikhumbula kahle ke ngeweekend siyodlala iSoweto Derby. Second leg of iSoweto Derby. First leg sayidlala against iKaizer Chiefs sawina ngo-1-0 ngegoli elihle salibona lekoro Tete Maswanganyi kwakuyi-penalty. Yebo. So to be honest, iSoweto Derby akusiyona igame ongayi-analyze. Yebo akusiyona igame ongayi-analyzela because lama team o2 adlalela ama-bragging rights. Yebo, they are playing for bragging rights. Mwasubheke iform ye-Orlando Pirates ayikho yinhle. Yabo 2 losses. Basithanda buya nje kuma loss amabili. Bashawa iPyramids FC bephuma kwi-semi-final ye-CAF Champions League. Yabo bashawa futhi iShlukhune United yesterday. Yabo bengasiyona igame right. So iOrlando Pirates yona iform yayo ayikho right. Same as iKaizer Chiefs. Mase sibheke iform yeKaizer Chiefs basathanda kushaya iMarumo Gallants nabo. Yabo beshawa nje iMarumo Gallants yibi nale team le. Uthi ama games eKaizer Chiefs angiwalandeleli kakhulu yabo, but yona iKaizer Chiefs akusiyona i-team like ongayithatha kancane when it comes to i-derby, because masubheke kwi-history yayo iKaizer Chiefs ama-derby ibona abanama-wins amaningi kuma-derbies noma bangadliwa kanjani, but when it comes to i-derby they tend to take serious that game yabo. They tend to bring their A game when they playing against the Orlando Pirates. I don't know why yabo, but ke when it comes to this derby I feel like le derby le izobe i-warm up. Yabo kuzobe kuyi-warm up yale derby ozodlalwa ngomhla ka-10 May. Ukukhumbula kahle ngomhla ka-10 May Orlando Pirates will take on iKaizer Chiefs on the Nedbank Cup 2025 final. Lapho khona soba sibeka ungqondongqondo sesibeka khona i-champion i-Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates ifuna ukuyiwina kathathu kanti iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukuqeda i-drought ye-trophy. Yabo ade bagcina ukuwina i-trophy. I think it's 10 years now bengakaze bewine i-trophy. So mabili ama-team lawa adlalela ama-bragging rights yabo. So kule derby le, to be honest, Orlando Pirates iyawudinga u3 points yabo, iyawudinga u3 points because mase ubheke kwi-league right now, check kwi-league right now, iShlukhune United ina 44 points, mase ubheke Orlando Pirates ina 46 points. So lokho kuyinikeza Orlando Pirates ukuthi no, let's not take this game as a Soweto Derby, let's take this game as a 3 points game. Siyithathe nje njengegame ejwayelekile yabo, because after they lost against iShlukhune I'm sure lokho kuyinikezile i-clue ukuthi okay mase siya kwi-derby soba nenkinga, ngoba le game kumele ade kumele siyiwina against iShlukhune iyona bezosinikeza umfutho ukuthi okay ahead of le derby le vele soyishaya iKaizer Chiefs cause si happy, amaphaphu happy yabo. Right now iKaizer Chiefs iyabona ukuthi Orlando Pirates ilekha la nala. Mase uchecke these 2 games Orlando Pirates eshawe kuona, ucheck amagoli abawaconsidile, you can see ukuthi Orlando Pirates ibuthaka kephi yabo. They are weak when it comes to set pieces. They are weak when it comes to set pieces. A team like Kaizer Chiefs can develop. A team like Kaizer Chiefs right now, I'm sure they are drafting down tactics they will use against the Orlando Pirates. They are drafting down. It's okay. How can we set our set pieces? How can we take our set pieces against Orlando Pirates? Yabo. Because most of big ama-defenders is now. Ma-defenders is now ahead of late derby soyidlala nge-weekend. So dlalisa uMbokazi noXoki. I've never seen those 2 play in a game before. Those 2. Because mokhumbula kahle kujwayele ukudlala 3 at the back yabo. Ngijwayele ukumbona mina uXoki edlala noMbokazi mekhona uSibisi bebe bathathu, but angazi ngibabona boba u2. Asazi kwenzakalani yabo, ngenza kube inkinga le angifuqa yabona nje ahead of le game le soba nenkinga mhlawumbe, but I trust uMbokazi. I trust uMbokazi and I trust uThapelo Gxoki nge-height yakhe yabo. I trust him nge-height yakhe. And abantu abaningi I saw some comments regarding ukuluza Orlando Pirates kwi-game yange-Pyramids. Mase ubheke Orlando Pirates siluza ku-Pyramids kwangasiyona iphutha ya, kwangasiyona imistake yaXoki yabo, kwangasiyona imistake yaXoki ukuthi Orlando Pirates iluze kanjeyana. Mase ubheke ulandelele ku-Orlando Pirates kahle kahle ubani i-set piece coach ye-Orlando Pirates. That is the guy okumele ablame kala magoli siwaconsider, because many people were blaming uThapelo Gxoki ukuthi as a defender on a height, why are you allowing your defenders? Why are you allowing your opponents to score in the box? Why are you allowing your defenders to win the ball in the box and score against our goalkeeper? Yabo, many people were blaming him, but we played yesterday against iShlukhune United and uThapelo Gxoki wasn't in the game yesterday. Yabo, akadlalanga. He wasn't there when Orlando Pirates conceded la goal. Yabo. and lokho kuyakunikeza iklue ukuthi kahle kahle cha thina vele sinenkinga when it comes to ama set piece asikwazi ukwa defender. When it comes to ama set piece asikwazi ukwa defender. First leg Pyramids Thapelo Xoko wayengekho yebo lele goal lela elashawa uFiston Mayele ngekhanda lashaya isandla yebo ithepi ngiyangijabulisa ngoba iVAR yakhona yayikhona iVAR yabona ibhola lishaya isandla but kwakuyigoli lekhanda lelo kube wayengekho lwamjida kwakuzoba igoli lekhanda Thapelo Xoko wayengekho leyo game yebo but ke abantu bamblame uThapelo Xoko ku second leg yebo mina ngikusho ukuthi iset piece coach eOrlando Pirates iyona imeli ihlale phansi idraft kahle uthi imele ku defendwe kanjani noma ivile iphume nje because ayikho into eyenzayo going to iKaizer Chiefs i-team ekahle angifuqa ama iKaizer Chiefs ingasinikeza inkinga because indlela abadlala ngayo they are playing like ayikho into abazoyiluza right now uma usubheke bona I think baku number 9 njengoba ku number 9 nje bazolwela ukuthi bawuthole 3 points nabo bafuna ukungena ku top 8 they are fighting for a position ya top 8 yebo bafuna ukungena ku top 8 ngenkani but ke kunzima ukuKaizer Chiefs because lapha amathima abalwisana nawo lapha ku top 8 amathima amaningi adlala lapha anama games in hand so ngaba nzinyana for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingene ku top 8 so le game le ngeweekend bazoyithatha serious. They will take this game serious. Nathi ngokwethu kumele siyithathe serious. Le derby libaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. Ibaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. Mina arowana la. Yabo mase uqhubeka sidlale ngale indlela edlale ngakhona izolo. Asikhohle nje Champions League next season. Mase uqhubeka sidlale ngale ndlela edlale ngakhona. Champions League football, we must forget it. We must forget it. We must forget it. Masubheke amadabi amathathu edlule awina uJose Riviero kumele awine yes4 manje kulandelana yabo kumele awine yes4 kulandelana khona ezokhombisa ukuthi kahlahle vele ulo coach lo yabo oseqopha umlando kwePirates mezowina yes4 mase wina le cup is5 hayi ngempela ngizomvuma yabo mase awine lamadabi lawo elandelana omabili ngizomvuma ngempela. Coach Nabi yes mase ucoach Nabi ashaya iOrlando Pirates kule weekend le kuzomnikeza naye ugqozi lokuthi mase kuyiwa le eMos Mabhida uzokwazi ukuyishaya futhi Orlando Pirates so asikwazi ukubanikeza ithemba kakhulu because mesibanikeza ithemba uzobona bazokwenza lento abayenza kwiSundowns uba wayazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izoshaya iSundowns baze bafike kwifinal. Nobody trusted iKaizer Chiefs to win that game even though the goal was an offside goal but nobody trusted Kaizer Chiefs to win that game. Let's not lie to ourselves, Buffett. Nobody trusted Kaizer Chiefs to win that game against the Sundowns. But okay, here we are. We are speaking about Soweto Derby final in Nedbank Cup. Yabo. So ngempela bafethu kumele sibheke indlela iKaizer Chiefs edlala ngakhona. Mase nje ngizama ukuyicacisa iKaizer Chiefs ngeweekend uzobe ngekho ubandile noma uwandile. Ungangitshela ama comments uDubu uzobe ngekho kule game. Skillful player umjidi uyakwazi ukudlala uyayazi net. Yabo yena threat mina ebengikhala ngayo. Kule game le ngiyaza kwazi ukudlala same as uSibisi. Yabo ngebazi bakwazi ukudlala kule game. uDubu wathola i-yellow card accumulate ama yellow card awu4 in a row so he can't play the game yabo suspended mase ukuthi uSibisi wathola i-red card ngosikhathi edlala against iSikhukhune so he can't play i-game against iKaizer Chiefs kule weekend uzadlala next week yabo so uma uzibheka kwischeme sabo esiswini bajwayele ukudlala ngobani bajwayele ukudlala ngocele mase bedlalisa uMart bawuthula obadlali labo bayakwazi ukudlala ibhola but ke uMart akusiyena umdlalo ongamthemba kakhulu yebo akusiyena umdlalo ongamthemba kakhulu so thina singakwazi ukucindezela kakhulu uMart mase ucele eba yedwa yabo umdlalo njengoMakhehleni Makhaula can deal with uMart uyatatazela uma ene-pressure ningi yatatazela kakhulu uMart ene-pressure ningi mase ubheka kuma-defenders abo ama-defenders abo ngizwile kuthiwa uMiguel ngenzeka abe khona kule game le Miguel ngenzeka abe khona mhlambe adlale noJijize uMsimang yebo badla bawu2 lapha as ama center back mase ukuthi ngala ka right I think uba uzodlala lapha Frosler or I think Frosler or Solomon between those two players I don't know ka left uba uzodlala between uCross noma uDove. I don't know, but I suspect uDove uzoyidlala leya left leya because uDove mukhumbula kahle uDove phela is a center back. uDove is a center back, so he can play that position. Mukhumbula kahle he played no akadlalanga against the Kaizer Chiefs, akadlalanga against the Sundowns, kwadlala uCross against the Sundowns. So angazi ngempela bazoyibeka kanjani lento, but i-defense yabo mina sengiyinayisisile abakwazi ukudlala ibhola emuva. Njengoba bengakwazi ukudlala ibhola emuva, so thina kumele sibe ne-striker esingeswa-press kakhulu ama-defenders abo. Yebo, esingeswa-press kakhulu, i-striker nje esizocutha lapha. Sicuthele i-mistake abazoyenza because abakwazi ukudlala ibhola emuva banokutatazela. I-striker esizocutha sicuthele i-mistake. Mina ngokwami I think uTshegofatso Mabasa, even though i-form yakhe idrophile kule game le, uyadingakala uTshegofatso Mabasa because he's a sharpshooter, he's a sniper, uyakwazi ukhahlela ibhola. Yabo, kwigame ekanje iKaizer Chiefs uMabasa for me angangiqalela ngingazi ngokwakho ngangijaha ama-comments ungaqalisa ba kwigame ekanje. Yabo, so igame ibaluleke kakhulu le for Orlando Pirates. Ngokwakho yini ofuna ukuyibona kule game le for Orlando Pirates? Iziphi izinto ofuna ukubona bashintshile kuzona? Yebo nje for me ama-set piece nama-chances akumele siwayekele ama-chances because if siwayekele ama-chances team njengeKaizer Chiefs izosebenzisa ama-chances ayo masiyasidla, same as iSkhukhune. We wasted many chances, too many chances. ISkhukhune yathola ithuba elilodwa capitalize and they won that game. They took all the 3 points. Imagine we were playing home but they took the 3 points. Yabo, so nje ngempela bafethu kumele siyithathe serious le game le. We need 3 points na next week futhi we need to win in Nedbank Cup. Yabo, Uvane Sports lo bafethu ungakhohlwa subscribe, ungangitshela wena kuma comments what are you looking forward to in le game le soyidlala against the Kaizer Chiefs, iSoweto derby. Yabo.